Will she come? Darating ba siya? No one will know. Walang makakaalam. He will come soon. Malapit na siyang dumating. I will never tell. Hindi ko sasabihin. I will go ahead. Mauuna na ako. When will it be? Kailan iyon? Will it rain today? Uulan ba ngayon? I will try. Susubukan ko. When will we meet? Kailan tayo magkikita? We will not agree. Hindi kami sasang-ayon. I will not see you. Hindi kita makikita. I will be there. Pupunta ako roon. Perhaps he will come. Baka darating siya. I will return this. Isasauli ko ito. When will they arrive? Kailan sila darating? How will I know? Paano ko malalaman? Will you leave? Aalis ka? How long will it take? Gaano katagal? I will come tomorrow. Darating ako bukas. Will you go back? Babalik ka ba? They will be glad. Matutuwa sila. They will find it out. Malalaman nila iyon. He will visit us. Bibisitahin nila tayo. They will agree. Sasang-ayon sila. I will not do it. Hindi ko gagawin iyon. I will inform them. Sasabihan ko sila. Someone will do it. May gagawa niyan. Where will you use it? Saan mo gagamitin iyan? Will you please go there? Pwedeng pumunta ka roon? I will return this. Isasauli ko ito. Will you marry me? Magpapakasal ka ba sa akin? You will have it someday. Makukuha mo rin iyan balang araw. What will happen? Ano ang mangyayari? I will talk to her. Kakausapin ko siya. I will be there. Pupunta ako dyan. I'll show you something. May ipapakita ako sa'yo. I will tell the truth. Magsasabi ako ng totoo. I will wait here. Maghihintay ako rito. Who will do it? Sino ang gagawa niyan? I will not forget. Hindi ko makakalimutan. It will not last forever. Hindi iyan magtatagal kailanman. Who will take care of you? Sino ang mag-aalaga sa'yo? I will inform you. Sasabihan kita. When will you come back? Kailan ka babalik?